Today it's Thursday, which means it's our Thursday Q&A of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osasiri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach, and today we have a question from Lynn, and she asks, what can I do at the gym to still lose weight while I work around my knee pain? Here are 3 knee exercises that you can do at just about any gym that will promote blood flow circulation without the weight bearing. Number 1, stationary bike. Not only does this promote blood flow circulation in a non-weight bearing form, but it's also an exercise that you can make a bit more challenging by putting your hands over your head and engaging your core. Number 2, row machine. Just about every gym I've been to has a row machine, and the beauty of it is not only is it non-weight bearing and it promotes blood flow circulation, but you're also working a lot of the other body parts as well. And number 3, any stationary weight lift machine. Now this one is important because you always want to make sure that you're still building strength as you burn calories. You want to be able to make sure that you're able to get about 10 to 15 reps for at least a couple of sets. And that's it, guys. The wonderful news is that as you continue to lose weight, it's going to gradually take pressure off of your knees, and so it's a win-win situation in the long run. And as usual, I had a blast making this video for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.